Yes, today we will see the difference between asynchronous and synchronous counter. Right? So there are 8 to 9 parameters, and the first parameter is the clock input. Right? So in case of asynchronous counter, the clock applied only to the first flip flop. Yes, and other flip flop के लिए clock कैसे मिलेगी? The output from the first flip flop. Right? Asynchronous counter जैसे हमने 2-bit up counter down counter में देखा था. सिंक्रोनस काउंटर में क्या होता है? सेम क्लॉक इज अप्लाइड टू द ऑल द फ्लिप फ्लॉप फ्रॉम द क्लॉक सर्किटरी. राइट? नाउ ट्रिगरिंग कैसे होता है? फ्लिप फ्लॉप ट्रिगर वन आफ्टर अनदर. राइट? यस, ऑल द फ्लिप फ्लॉप ट्रिगर्स साइमल्टेनियसली एट द सेम टाइम. What about speed? Speed of the asynchronous counter is slower because the output of second flip flop will work when that flip flop will get the clock from the first flip flop. And synchronous counter is fast because same clock is applied to all the flip flop simultaneously. Right? Propagation delay, as it is slower, the propagation delay is high. Synchronous counter, the propagation delay is low. Circuit complexity is simple and it is more complex. The hardware requirement is less and it is more. The accuracy for the synchronous counter is less accurate at high frequency, and synchronous counter is more accurate. Design, easy to design, difficult to design. That you have got it when we solve the problems on designing of a synchronous and synchronous counter. The power consumption is low in the synchronous counter and high in case of synchronous counter. Reliability is less reliable for the high speed operation, right? And it is more reliable. If you want a high speed while operation, then you need to go for the synchronous counter. This synchronous counter के example है रिपल काउंटर, जो हमने 2-bit अप काउंटर, डाउन काउंटर, 3-bit देखा है वो वाला. And synchronous counter के example है parallel counter. Okay, so the 4 marks question can be asked in the examination for the comparison or difference between asynchronous and synchronous counter. Yes, so any 6 to 7 points you can write in the examination. Okay, thank you.